Good day, sir. So in this video, I'll be demonstrating my code. Alright, so let's start off in the login page. Okay, there's a login page. Alright, so in the login page, I've got a text field, which is email and password. So if the user enters the details and the row is equals to farmer, then after they log in with the right credential, it will take them to the farmers page, right? And if the user is using an employee row, it will take them to the employee page. Okay, so and this is the code. So if the row is equals to a farmer, then it will take them to a farmers page. Otherwise, if the row is equals to employee, then it will take them to an employee dashboard. Okay, and let's run it. Alright, so first of all, we have a login page. Alright, so let's use a jack@gmail.com, and the row for this email is going to be a farmer, so it should take me to a farmer's page. Alright, but for now, let's use a wrong password for it and let's see what it says. So the right password for it is going to be 123, but for now, let's use 234. If you're trying to log in, it's going to be invalid email or password because I used the wrong password. What if I use the wrong email, and let's put a 1 there, but I use the right password? It will still say invalid email or password, right? Let's use the right email and the right password now. So let's click login. Right, so it took me to a farmer's page because the row for this login is a farmer. Let's add a product name and let's add a apple. Product name's apple. Categories is going to be fruit. Okay. Alright, and we'll put a date, today's date, the 30th of May. Add product. Right. So this is the product name and the fruit that I just added, and the farmer ID for this farmer is 2, and product added successfully. Alright, so let's go to the database, which is, let's go farmer. Alright, and let's go product. It should appear in product. Let's refresh it. There we go. So this is what I just added. Okay, but let's go back. Alright, for now, let's try use the employee row. Okay, so the password, let's use this employee example. Okay, let's use this employee1example.com, and the password for this is password123, and the row is employee, so it should take us to the employee page. It's locking. Okay, so this is the employee dashboard. Welcome employee, and then let's try add a farmer. Okay, so let's put this farmer, the row equals to farmer. Okay, all right, farmer's email, let's put that let's put j123@gmail.com. okay, password, let's put it 123, make it easy. All right, let's say you want to add farmer. Right, should be added. Let's refresh it, the user table, and here we go. This is what I just added. j123@gmail.com, password 123, row is farmer. Okay, so I can also filter products in this page. So let's say if I want to filter using the name, which is apple, it should give me apple only. All right, let's try use tomato. There we go. So it gave me tomato because I only got one tomato as a product name, which gave me. All right, so let's go back and let's try and use the details that we just added or we just made. Let's try logging with this. Okay, so password for this is gonna be 123, right? But let's try test it with the wrong password again. 234 invalid, right? Because I used 234, which is invalid. Now let's try use 123, the right correct one. So there we go. Should take me to a farmer's page because the row for this logging is a farmer. So it took me to a farmer's page. All right. Okay, and let's try make another one using this logging again. Let's go to employee page. Password 123. Let's make a row as an employee. Okay, and farmers, let's make it E. 123. Let's use different one. Let's use h13@gmail.com. Password 123. Add. All right. There we go. So this is what I just added. Let's go back again. All right. Let's try use this. 3, and it should take us to an employee page because he's an employee. All right, and once again I can use this row as an employee to add more. Okay, let's try and add another one as a farmer. Let's try that. Let's try z13@gmail.com. Password 123. Add, and it should add in here. Right, so also I can filter again. Let's try and filter with this ASD. Right, the name for this product is ASD. Let's put ASD, and it should show ASD here. Okay, and let's go to the code quickly, and let me just show. All right, let's go to the farmer's dashboard first of all. So as we can see, button click. Okay, so when we're trying to add a product, whatever we put in, like name, category, and the date, and the farmer's ID should generate by itself. All right, so we're putting all the names, category, and the date. When we click add, it should say product added successfully. Otherwise, it should give me an error adding product. Okay, and this is the code for it to load into the database. All right. Okay, let's try go to the employee dashboard. Same thing, button add farmer. So we put all the farmer's detail in like we just did, like the farmer's email, password, and the row. Put all the details in, and it should take all the details that you put in and it will deploy it to the database. All right. So with the filter, it's filtering using the product name. So like we just did, what if I put in the product name Apple, and it should only give me the product name Apple, and this is my code for it. All right, and this will be my demonstration for the code. Thank you, sir.